Charlie Jet, Roger, cleared the Cape Banks 5 outbound, caution wait turbulence, previously departed 320 and Hotel 8, report airborne, no delay.
Copy, possible wake turbulence and airborne this time. Bravo, Charlie Juliet.
Roger. Qantas 487, were you ready?
487 over.
Qantas 487, line up, runway 34 right, wait.
Line up and wait, 34 right, Qantas 487. Sydney Tower up to there, velocity 965.
So velocity 965, Sydney Tower, g'day, taxi holding point Tango 6, runway 34 right.
Taxi holding point Tango 6, runway 34 right, velocity 965. Yeah, g'day, just 120.
Just 120, Sydney Tower, g'day. Qantas 487, TCAS traffic just out to the east area, helicopter departing to the south east and departing OCTA, runway 34 right, cleared for takeoff.
34 right, clear for takeoff, traffic side, Qantas 487.
Beautiful night.
It's stunning, isn't it?
Yeah.
Had some really good sunsets lately.
Yeah.
Just 120, the wind 10 degrees at 20 knots, crosswind of 13, runway 34 right to clear to land.
Runway 34 right, clear to land, just 120. And velocity 965, ready.
Velocity 965.
It's just 120, sorry, just wind check again.
It is now 360 degrees at 23 knots.
Just 120.
Qantas 487, contact departures, g'day.
Qantas 487, g'day.
And just 120, there is TCAS traffic, you're just out to the east, a helicopter departing the southeast 500 feet.
Just 120.
Righto guys, I've just turned the mics off, so you'll have to use those buttons now. And Bravo Charlie Juliet will be looking to request the Bondi 5 northbound.
Charlie Jet, Roger, you can make that request with departures. There is unidentified traffic 500 feet, just the Cape Cylinder now tracking northbound, you're 12 o'clock.
Visual with that traffic, Bravo Charlie Juliet.
Jet, Roger, Squawk VFR, control services terminated. That's the only traffic I can see, and frequency change approved, g'day.
Squawk VFR, frequency change approved, Bravo Charlie Juliet, g'day.
Tower, Q-Link 1.
Victor 1 traffic helicopter, Bravo Charlie Juliet, surrounding Cape Banks 500, tracking northbound, visual with rescue westbound.
Lost over 21, copy, cheers.
We got the rescue chopper coming in for a landing, we'll come right by him. Might be a good shot. We're currently at 500 feet.
How many meters is that?
About 150.
Okay.
That's kind of what we have to be here.
So, because we fly the drones to 120.
Yeah.
Yep.
Sydney departures helicopter Bravo Charlie Juliet approaching Maroubra requesting a 195 northbound.
Bravo Charlie Juliet, departures identified, grid 195 northbound.
Grid 195 northbound, Bravo Charlie Juliet. And departure, you happy for me to still squawk 0301 Bravo Charlie Juliet?
Bravo Charlie Juliet, 85.
Bravo Charlie Juliet. There's some good high cloud up there. I reckon she might be a good one tonight.
Thought the forecast was going to be all clear with no cloud at all, so this is a bit of a bonus.
Sydney
high
departure,
cloud.
g'day, just 476 descending to and approaching flight level 290.
Jetstar 476, Sydney departures, clear direct Williamtown, descend, flight 130.
Present position direct Williamtown, descend flight level 130, Jetstar 476.
Jetstar 426, 2005 and climb 5000.
Jetstar 426, departures identified, cancel speed restriction.
Yes, for restriction, Jetstar 426.
I'll turn the mics back on for a little bit here. You guys happy with this sort of speed, just trolling along?
Yep, perfect.
Perfect, no worries.
Oh, what's that little pool down there?
Oh, that's little Maroubra rock pool.
Sydney departures
I
afternoon.
can do one quick lean over, it'll be like half a second, so be ready.
4965, departures afternoon, identified, cancel speed restriction.
Cancel speed restrictions, 49.
1, 2, 3, over. And coming back. We're totally over the water still.
Of course we are.
Jetstar 426, climb flight level 280.
Oh, 280, Jetstar 426.
So we'll do the same thing for Coogee, just slow and steady up past it.
426, cleared, enter Bernie, planned route.
Cleared. Enter Bernie, planned route, Jetstar 426.
Climb level 280.
Climb level 280, velocity 965.
Velocity 965, cancel Sid, correct Bander.
Cancel Sid, track director Bander, thanks, velocity 965.
Oh God, look at the crowd in the pavilion on the roof.
Yeah. Perfect evening to hang out there.
Yeah.
Jetstar 476, contact Brisbane Centre 132.35.
132.35, g'day, Jetstar 476, thank you. Departure's Killing 118, Delta heading 355, 1,500, climbing 3,000.
Killing 118, Delta departure, identify climb by Sid, 5,000.
Climb by Sid 5,000, Killing 118, Delta.
Some nice rocks below us down here.
Jetstar 426, contact Brisbane Centre 132.35.
132.35, Jetstar 426.
Killing 118, Delta, Quebec, Williamtown.
Track Williamtown, Killing 118, Delta.
Departures Killing 8 Delta, heading 355, passing 1,600, climbing to 3,000.
Killing 8 Delta departure, identify climb by Sid, 5,000.
Climb by Sid, just 5,000, Killing 8 Delta.
And guys, with this flight, did you want to do the northern beaches first or the city first?
City first.
Property 878, contact Melbourne Centre 125.0, g'day. 125.0, velocity 878, g'day. Velocity 965, contact Brisbane Centre 132.35, g'day. 132.35, velocity 965, g'day.
Alright guys, we're going to do a similar thing for icebergs if you like. We'll do the quick lean over. One,
No water in the pool.
3. And coming back.
118 Delta, climb to flight level 250.
Got flight level 250, Quebec 118 Delta.
Whoa, packed down there at the beach.
Quebec Delta, track direct to Canberra.
Direct Canberra, Quebec Delta.
What are you saying, whoa, what?
The park is packed.
Oh, the park.
Yeah.
Oh, there.
Quebec Delta, climb to flight level 180.
What's the wind?
180, Quebec Delta.
We can get our drone up on most of the northern beaches. That's why we want to go places where we can't drone.
Of course, of course. So we're up here at 1,000 feet now, which is about 300 metres.
Oh my God. Look at that.
It's going to be a nice sunset.
I reckon you guys did well.
Quebec Delta, recruit direct to Matlock.
Direct Matlock, Quebec Delta.
Hopefully we get a bit of light coming through the buildings. Drop.
Sydney Apache, good day, velocity 981, passing 1,400, climb at 5,000.
Velocity 981, departures identified, cancel speed restrictions.
Cancel speed restrictions, velocity 981, thanks.
And Bravo Charlie Juliet tracking into 405.
Bravo Charlie Juliet.
Romeo 405, traffic helicopter Bravo Charlie Juliet, south head 1000 and conducting orbit to 405. Hello guys, so you need to be further away from Southend, closer?
A little bit further back.
Further back? Roger.
The wind just going to follow us straight up the harbour.
It's coming northeasty, so if we turn around, it's going to go back that way. We'll get shot into the harbour. Does that make sense?
Yep. So if you just turn the other side of, just before we get to North Head then.
Yep, so turn to the left?
Yep.
Yeah, that's fine. Easy done. Bit stronger than anticipated. Tonight's about 60k an hour.
Well, I can't put the drone up.
Right, so we'll lean over the left.
Oh my God.
Perfect.
Climb to flight level 280, velocity 981.
Boundary, clear direct to Banda.
Direct to Banda, velocity 981. Cheers.
Alright guys, we'll track in and try and get that Opera House shot if you like.
Yep. And the shadows of the city.
Of course, yep.
Velocity 539, passing 1,200, climbing 5,000.
On the way in, what can we swing around Bradley's head?
539.
Yep.
And go in so we can get the shadows first.
Can do.
Because we'll lose the shadows.
Did you want us at 1,000 feet or would you like us to come down?
A bit lower, even if you can turn in here.
Oh, yep.
That way we can get the shadows.
So I can't hold you here for long.
Alright.
3, 2, 1, keep coming right. Did you want that again?
Yep.
Delta, contact Brisbane Centre 132.35, g'day. Okay, Delta.
And we'll come to the left this time. 3, 2, 1.
Velocity 539, climb by the SID to flight level 280. Climb by the SID, flight level 280, velocity 539.
That will track for Rush Cutters Bay now and we'll come in from that side.
Yep.
Well, it's up to you. Did you want Double Bay or Rush Cutters?
We want to look over Point Piper.
Rosebank, it's 611, 1,400, climbing 5,000. Just 611 departures identified, passing 3,000, cancel speed restrictions. Passing 3,000, cancel speed, it's 611. Velocity 539, cancel SID, clear direct to Banda. Cancel SID, direct Banda, velocity 539.
Let's go annoy the politicians, eh?
That's it. We're on the other side of the road to Malcolm.
So we're going to swing around to the left as hard as I can.
Perfect.
It won't get too long.
Velocity 981, contact Brisbane Centre 132.35, g'day.
Lower, higher.
Oh, that's okay.
Just 611, what speed are you accelerating to? Whatever speed we need to turn right as soon as possible. Just 611, Roger, if you give me 250 or better, you turn right now, heading 150. We're 250 or better, turning right, heading 150, was it? 8 firm.
Okay.
150.
Off to the Opera House.
Center velocity 981, confirm 13235. velocity 981 AFM 132.35.
132.35, velocity 981.
Departures, good day, velocity 882, passing 1,900, climbing 5,000.
Velocity 882 departures identified.
Did you want to do the same thing in front of Garden Island first?
Right.
No, we're good for the
611, climbing for level 280.
Level
280, just 611.
405, helicopter Bravo Charlie Juliet, passing Bradley's head, 700, tracking for Southern Pylon, tracking westbound, 405. The off routes, we'll give it our best shot. And coming back. 405, helicopter Bravo Charlie Juliet, Southern Pylon, tracking westbound, 405.
Badges from the fireworks.
Alright guys, we'll turn around in a second. Trying to find a gap in the wind. .405, Bravo Charlie Juliet, Cockatoo Island, left-hand turn, we'll be tracking eastbound, 405. Now guys, when we cross over the harbour bridge, I can turn left immediate and get you keep nice and close, or I can go further out and turn left. What would you prefer?
In tight.
Yeah. In tight? Yeah. Roger.
So the wind's not dying at sunset?
No, usually it does.
611 contact Melbourne Centre 125.0, g'day. No worries.
It'll smooth out again once we get past the bridge here, but...
Killing 66 Delta, climb 25 level 250.
Level 250, killing 66 Delta.
405, helicopter Bravo, Charlie Juliet, southern pylon, and on climb to 700. 405.
Don't have to do the bridge climb.
Yeah.
Give him a big wave.
A hand out the window again. Oh, look at that.
Back around to the right, guys. Come back across like that again.
Yep, that'd be great. That light's just perfect.
Good evening, killing 34 is heading 355, passing 2,500, climbing 3.
Killing 34 departures identified, climb by the Sydney to 5,000.
Climb by the Sydney 5,000, killing 34.
There'll be a left-hand turn here, guys, nice and tight.
25 level 180.
Off level 180, Kilo 6.
The 882, contact Melbourne Centre 125.0, good day.
1250, velocity 882, good day.
Heading 34, turn right, heading 010.
Right, 6010.
Killing 66 Delta, contact Brisbane Centre 132.35, good day.
13235, killing 66 Delta.
And come back to the right, guys. Alright guys, what do you think? You want to go get these northern beaches or stay here?
Yep.
Sorry, what was that?
Yeah, we'll give it a go.
Yes, please.
Yep, sure, no worries. I reckon we got time for about 5 to 7 minutes at northern beaches, and we'll start tracking back.
Miss the birds feeding down there, Robert.
Yeah, right. Were they open today?
Who was that?
Taronga.
Oh, no, there's some birds feeding just down here on the road.
Right.
Are we, can we go over Balmoral?
Oh, I can get you next to it. Well, you can choose to go either Balmoral or Northern Beaches.
Okay, let's do Balmoral.
Righto, we'll see what we get. Departures, Bravo Charlie Juliet, requesting Northern Beaches if available, please.
Bravo Charlie Juliet, clear the Northern Beaches sector.
Clear Northern Beaches sector, Bravo Charlie Juliet. Well, looks like we'll get it. Oh, sorry you had to come for such a terrible sunset, guys. Jeez.
Dreadful.
Oh,
Oh my god.
probably want a refund.
Killing 34, reclear direct to Matla.
That's Matla, thanks, killing 34.
Oh.
Get much better than that.
There's the Balmoral down there.
Yep.
So, can you see the cricket ground? Do you want me sort of like over a bit further out?
That's pretty good.
Yeah, okay. I'll hold this line then.
Departure, Meridian 2018, 1125,000, Richmond flight departure.
182.018, heavy departures identified, cancel speed restrictions.
Full speed restriction, Meridian 2018.
I'm going to come out to the right here, guys.
Yep.
I'll come back to the left. Give you hopefully a better angle of it.
Sydney 2018, climb by the SID to flight level 280.
Flight by said flight level 280, Bohemia 2018. g'day, velocity 543, passing 1,300, climbing 5,000.
Velocity 543, departures identified, climb by the SID default level 280, no speed restrictions.
Climb by the SID, flight level 280, no speed restrictions, velocity 543.
Sydney Centre, g'day, Emit 865. Emit 855. Down, you're in about 3s, Emit 855, and I've checked in, we're taking tanks down, 400, 1 PRB, way 11, and first your express. Emit 855, you clear direct double, under control airspace on the tanks down, 8 on climb to 3000, squawk 3240, no traffic. Direct center, bank center, departure, climb to 3000, 3240, Emit 855. Velocity 543, cancel SID, clear direct to Banda.
Cancel SID, direct to Banda, velocity 543.
There guys, I've got one time for one final left turn.
All right.
I'll have to head back.
That's good.
Sydney Centre, Emit 855 rolling on 1. Emit 855, no traffic, QNH 1008. 008, Emit 85.
And just as it disappears.
Yeah.
Perfect timing.
Thanks.
And departure Bravo Charlie Juliet requesting the 105 southbound.
Bravo Charlie Juliet, clear the 105 southbound.
Clear 105 southbound. Bravo Charlie Juliet.
Juliet 34, contact Brisbane Centre 132.35 today.
132.35, Q-Link 34, g'day.
Yeah.
Off.
2018, contact Brisbane Centre 133.0.
133.0, being 2018.
Yeah, a lot
of dust in the air, isn't there?
Yeah, oh, there was, it's like this misty cloud flag sort of stuff, because there was a bunch of storms out at, like, Katoomba, Oberon area.
Yeah.
And because it's such a warm day, it's already brings all this moisture in. You can see a few clouds there, like a fun storm.
55 departures identified. Velocity 543, contact Brisbane Centre 132.35, g'day.
12735, velocity 543.
13235.
13235, velocity 543.
Amazing how quickly the beach is emptied.
Not bad with a 60-mile-an-hour tailwind.
Oh, it's pretty good, eh? We're getting, geez, what are we getting out of it? 240k an hour now?
Cool.
It feels like we're doing about 70 though, doesn't it?
Yeah.
About 855, climb 24 level for correction, climb to 8000, track direct double 8.
8000, track direct double 8, yeah, that's fine.
Sydney Tower, helicopter Bravo, Charlie Juliet approaching Maroubra, requesting an inbound for Hotel 5.
Bravo, Charlie Juliet, Sydney Tower, g'day, cleared Maroubra 5 inbound.
Cleared Maroubra 5 inbound, Bravo, Charlie Juliet.
You must have fun whale spotting.
Well, when it's whale season, when they're coming back with their newborns, it's fantastic, especially down here because they come in nice and close. Just like kids, the kids are playful at the top and the parents have to go up and control them, and oh, it's great.
How low can you go?
We usually have to stay 1,000 feet above them, but we also have to abide by the helicopter route, so if they're in our way and we're at 500 feet, then what can you do?
Not much.
I think spotting them is easier by the chopper, but pictures, I think the drone's probably...
I did a lot of, I used the drone a lot during the last months and spotting them. You can see them, but then getting the drone to them is really tough.
Because they go down and they can stay down for like 45 minutes
I know,
sometimes.
and you've only got 30 minutes on your drone.
Yeah. Bravo Charlie Juliet approaching clearance limit.
Charlie Juliet, cleared visual approach, Hotel 5 for report on the ground.
Cleared visual approach, report on the ground, Hotel 5. Bravo Charlie Juliet. So we've got H1 and H2, they're the ones we can take off from and land at. Well, sometimes. So H1's over there, that's the main one. And these are all the parking spots. So all the parking spots here are assigned to a company except for Hotel 3, that's the public spot.
Right.
You can only stay there for 3 hours.
Private helicopters come in here?
They can.
Yeah. Not over where the private jets are.
Yeah. And Bravo Charlie Juliet, we're down and clear Hotel 5. Have a good night, Charlie.
You too, let's do.
Righto guys, I'll let the engine cool down for a minute or two.